Hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shergill. So today I'm going to discuss some ideas how you can start a side gig, a part-time income while you are working in your full-time job. So I have lots of calls, people calling me who are in the IT industry or many other fields. They want to make some side income because everything's going up and people even with the high paying job making six figure cannot make ends meet, and these days even it's hard to get a apartment rented in a city like Mississauga or Toronto if you don't have an income of $75,000, $200,000. So that's the minimum requirement. So how you can start your uh, extra income? So you can become like life insurance agent and you can get a license. While you are a life insurance agent, you can do a other job. So just uh, my previous video on how to become insurance broker like and a rebo like PNC, personal lines, auto and home. In that one you cannot do full-time job uh, other than rebo license. If you have rebo license, you can only work in one field. But if you are a life insurance agent, then you can do another job. So you can start being a life insurance agent while you are doing your other job. As you get more busy and successful, you can switch to full-time career once you see that there's a more opportunity here. Definitely there's a much more income to be made being a life insurance agent than any other sale. It's people are doing it from many years, hundreds of years, but and there are a lot of successful people. But you got to put a little bit effort of talking to people. If you are a person who are able to talk to people and show them their what they can benefit from these products of life insurance, critical illness, or investments, then you will be very, very successful at doing what you do at a life insurance agency. So I can recruit you if you are interested. You can call me at 416-831-0215. I will train you and show you all the things from A to Z and how to be successful being a life insurance agent while you are still doing your current job, or if you are willing to quit your current job and you have some financial cushion to be full-time insurance broker, it's all good. So just give me a call at 416-831-0215, or if you want to become a rebo license broker, uh, quit your job, then come full time. So that's also opportunity. But especially in this video, I stress people who were calling me and don't want to quit their job, but still want to do something on the side. So getting a life insurance license is the best, where you can make more than what you making at your full-time job while working part-time on your own time and in your own schedule. So it's a very good wonderful opportunity. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the video and share this video or idea to other people who are thinking about making some extra money, and I will definitely appreciate that, and really hopeful to hear from you guys. You can email me at jagtar@ableinsurance.ca or my personal email shergill.insurance@gmail.com. So shergill.insurance@gmail.com or jagtar@ableinsurance.ca. So I look forward to your comments and your calls. Thanks for watching.